Are you struggling for your next interview? Do you feel that you are not ready for it? If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please click the subscribe button right now. Becoming the best interviewee requires preparation, presentation, and adaptability. Here's a structured approach to excel in any interview. 1. Prepare thoroughly. Research the company. Understand its mission, values, culture, and recent achievements. Mention these insights to show genuine interest. Understand the role. Analyze the job description and align your skills with the key requirements. Practice common questions. Prepare answers for standard questions like, tell me about yourself, or what are your strengths and weaknesses. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result to structure answers. 2. Showcase professionalism. Dress appropriately. Follow the company's dress code. When in doubt, opt for formal attire. Be punctual. Arrive 10-15 minutes early to demonstrate reliability. Body language. Maintain eye contact. Offer a firm handshake, and sit upright to project confidence. 3. Communicate effectively. Listen carefully. Pay attention to questions and avoid interrupting the interview. Be concise and relevant. Provide clear and to-the-point answers. Avoid rambling. Ask thoughtful questions. Inquire about the team, projects, or growth opportunities. Avoid asking about salary or perks in the first round. 4. Highlight your unique value. Demonstrate achievements. Share specific examples that showcase your skills and problem-solving abilities. Be authentic. Share your genuine enthusiasm for the role and how you can contribute uniquely. 5. Handle challenges gracefully. Respond to difficult questions calmly. For instance, if you lack a specific skill, emphasize your willingness and ability to learn quickly. Admit mistakes. If stumped, acknowledge it gracefully and pivot to discuss something you excel in. 6. Follow up professionally. Send a thank you email. Highlight your interest in the role, recap key points discussed, and express gratitude for the opportunity. Pro tips. Mock interviews can help refine your performance. Keep a balanced tone. Assertive, but not overconfident. Use storytelling to make your responses memorable. With these strategies, you'll leave a lasting positive impression on interviewers. Would you like tips tailored to a specific industry or role? If so, please leave a comment below. If you find this video is helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for your support.